Hello children, I welcome you all for this new academic year 2020 and 21. How are you all? I hope you are safe and sound at home by taking all the necessary precautions, isn't it? So let me introduce myself children. I am Jasmine and I will be dealing class 3rd English in these offline sessions. Children, due to this COVID-19, I need your support for the transition to offline learning. You have to learn and take the advantage of all the resources that are available at home, right? So this web-based educational experience helps you in tailoring your personal strength and learning styles. As a teacher, I completely understand that it is vital to expand your knowledge by driving up all the necessities and availabilities. Children, are you all washing your hands? I want everybody to wash your hands with a soap for every 20 minutes. Use a sanitizer, children, and wear a mask and gloves whenever you go out. Try to avoid going out, children. Drink lukewarm water with lemon every day. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables to build up your immune system. Children, are you all ready for today's class? Yes, but before starting the class, I would like to suggest you to keep a separate notebook for English so that you can write the content that I teach you every day. Children, moving on to lesson 1. The title of the lesson is Keeping Our Planet Clean. What do you understand by this title, children? Yes, we are supposed to keep our planet clean. This is a poem, children, and the poet is trying to convey about the nature, life, and the people who lives on the earth. He is also sharing that how the people are misusing the resources that are available on the earth. So let's start the class with a pep activity, children. I want everybody to pause the video and join the dots from 1 to 10. Open your studio page number 1, children, and connect the dots from 1 to 10. Later, you can color it with blue and green. You can trace out a hidden planet, children. I hope you have completed your task. Now, observe this picture, children. Is this picture similar to the picture that you have drawn just now? Yes, exactly. This is our planet Earth. So, can you observe the two colors, children? Yes, it is covered with blue and green, right? So, what does this blue color indicate? It indicates water. So, the earth is covered with 71% of water, and the green color indicates land, and the land 29% of earth's surface is covered with land. Got it, children? Now moving on to the earth is the only planet that supports the life system. Earth is a planet where we get all the requisites of life. Okay children, now observe these two pictures and guess which is the happy earth and which is the sad earth. Yes children, the above picture is the happy earth and the below picture is the sad earth, and these earth need some help, right? So why does it need help, children? Let us see. Oh, can you observe this picture, children? Half of the planet is polluted and the other half is with greenery, right? So why is this earth polluted, children? Who is responsible for polluting the earth? Right, we the humans are responsible for polluting the earth in terms of air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, right? So we throw a lot of trash on the roads, we throw plastic water bottles and all in the water, we emit some gases through vehicles, right? So that is the reason half of the earth is polluted and the remaining half is with greenery. Okay children, now let us read the poem, children. I want everybody to read this poem along with me. Open your studio page, children. Let's start. The earth is ours to enjoy for every little girl and boy. but we must always be aware that all its beauty we must share with all the children yet to come who want to laugh and play and run around the trees and in the fields. Did you understand anything, children? Okay, let me tell you in detail. Here, the poet is trying to convey that the earth is ours to enjoy. Does this earth belong to only one particular person? No, it belongs to everyone, and we enjoy the nature of the earth, isn't it? This is for every little girl and boy. Okay, can you see here, children? So we have the future generations also. So it is for every little girl and boy. But we must always be aware. Can you see, children? Be aware means, what is the meaning of be aware? We have to know what is happening around us. So why is this earth getting polluted? We have to be aware, right? Now that all its beauty we must share. So as a responsible citizen, we are supposed to share the beauty of the earth. But how do we share, children? By planting trees, by not polluting. Okay, so we have to stop the deforestation. And whenever you celebrate your birthday, make a habit of planting trees, children, so that the beauty of our earth will be enhanced. Right? So, with all the children yet to come, we have the future generations as well, right? They also had to enjoy the nature and its beauty. So, let us see who want to laugh, play and run. Do you all like to play, children? Yes, we all like to play, but where do we play? We play in the parks, we play in the gardens, and sometimes we play in the fields also, right? So, it is our responsibility to make our planet clean and green around the trees and in the fields. Where do we like to play, children? Yes, under the trees and in the fields. Can you observe in this picture? This picture is with full greenery, right? Where can we observe this greenery, children? Mostly in the villages. Whenever you get a vacation or we plan for a holiday, we go and enjoy the pleasant weather, isn't it? So we can enjoy this when you visit your grandparents' house who lives in the villages, or who lives in the who the relatives who lives in the villages, right? So we enjoy the fields and the greenery, and in villages mostly it is not polluted because of this greenery. But whereas in cities, as we have many tall buildings in and around us, we don't have the space, right? So whenever we get a space, we construct buildings. So that is the reason that cities are more polluted. But did you observe, children, due to this COVID-19, the major cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Bombay, the pollution is decreased because the gases are not emitted through the vehicles, right? And people stopped cutting down the trees. So we are responsible for polluting the earth. So we shall all stop this, children. Okay, let me read this poem once again, children. The earth is ours to enjoy for every little girl and boy. But we must always be aware that all its beauty we must share with all the children yet to come who want to laugh and play and run around the trees and in the fields. As I have already told you, what is the meaning of be aware, children? Know, to know. Now, let's have a glance at the word wall. I have given some words, children. Please note down these words in your PRB and learn the spellings. The words are earth, planet, enjoy, beauty, aware, share, every, glow. So let's have a home task, children. I want you all to read the poem once again, underline the rhyming words in the poem, and you have to color the planet with blue and green. Understood, children? I hope that you will do the home task, children. Let me ask you one more question. What can we do to make our planet Earth to be happy? So what are the precautions that we are supposed to take, and how do we increase the beauty of the earth? We will all discuss about this in the next class, children. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.